The songwriting, folk songwriting explosion started in the early 60s down in Greenwich Village. And Bob Dylan kind of led the wave, and then we all fell in behind him. I wrote Four Strong Winds as a result of hanging out. We used to hang out in a bar called the Kettle of Fish, which was on McDougal Street. And down below the bar was a little coffee house. I was reminiscing about my girlfriend who was back in Vernon, BC, a lovely Greek girl, and I was always leaving and regretting it and stuff. And so took my guitar over there and sat down and wrote Four Strong Winds in 20 minutes, thinking about that lady back in Vernon, BC. She's still there. I'm Ian Tyson, and I was there.